Hey YouTube, what's going on? It's Richard, founder of Short-Term Rental University and Airbnb Superhost. Today's video is about the importance of A/B testing and what you can learn and how you can make your listing even better. Remember, it's not about like creative authority and saying this is the best. The data knows. Follow the data. So I've touched on this in the Facebook group and on other videos, and I've said try different thumbnails and try different listings and so on and so forth, and that's really great theory and I stand by that. It really comes to like light for me because I'm in the process of just going live with my Jackson Hole listing. And so as you would imagine, I created the best listing I possibly could imagine. The best thumbnail, the best description, the best header, and so on. But it's not about me. It's about people that I don't know from all over the world and what they think. And so therefore, just from like a scientific theoretical perspective, I want to put that forward. I want to see what the results look like. And then even if they're better than I could have hoped and far superior than I ever imagined, I want to take that down and try my second best effort. And then let the data tell me what works best. And so here are the results. It turns out that the winter photo that I had listed as my thumbnail was more attractive to people. We got more clicks on that than the thumbnail that was summer oriented, which is counterintuitive to what I would have thought. But it doesn't really matter about what I would have thought, whether it's intuitive or counterintuitive. What I'm really trying to get is people to click, because once they click, I can sell them on the experience and hope to convert them. But if they don't click, I've got nothing. So I let the data be the determinant of what is best. Not what I like, but what the data likes. And consequently, I'm going to continue to test different things. I'm going to continue to take updated photos, new seasons, new angles, and just keep testing it. I now have historical data that I can reference, and as long as something beats the best performer, then it becomes the new best performer, and that's what my listing looks like. Tell me what you do to A/B test your data and how helpful it's been. I think it's going to make a difference of thousands of dollars per year. So if you found this video helpful, please go ahead and give me the thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks guys. Now I'm getting on the road again.